In São Paulo, Brazil, a 90-square-meter apartment underwent a significant retrofit, guided by the expert hands of architects Juliana Silva and Mori from Up Arquitetura. The project was commissioned by clients who wanted to preserve the apartment's original features while addressing the need for modern storage and creating a more fluid, personalized living space. The clients were clear about their requirements: ample storage for their collections of records and books, but without the typical cluttered appearance of traditional cabinetry. The architects faced the challenge of accommodating all the desired uses while also keeping the space open and flexible. To achieve this, they merged two rooms, eliminating a dividing wall to create a more extensive closet space. This approach provided the necessary storage while maintaining an open-plan feel. In addition, the architects expanded the main bedroom by integrating the bathroom into the suite, improving circulation and enabling more efficient use of space. This change allowed for the installation of additional storage along the window wall, addressing the client's storage needs while maintaining a sleek appearance. From the project's inception, the clients expressed a preference for natural materials, particularly exposed concrete, to give the apartment a relaxed and earthy vibe. To maintain this aesthetic, Silva and Mori decided to highlight an L-shaped concrete pillar in the kitchen, making it a focal point visible from both the kitchen and the living room. This choice, combined with other design elements, contributed to a distinctive and harmonious visual effect. The retrofit incorporated unique color choices that added a sense of personality to the space. The kitchen and access area were adorned with blue porcelain flooring, offering a bold contrast against the warmer tones used elsewhere. These vibrant elements were balanced with the earthy colors of the entrance door, metalwork, and various shelves. The designers used similar contrasting colors in the swing door, separating the balcony from the living room, enhancing the apartment's overall aesthetic. The successful retrofit was made possible with the help of various suppliers and skilled teams. Leroy Merlin provided miscellaneous items, Raffaello Mobili handled the woodworking, DRLC supplied countertops and marble work, Treviso Pisos contributed vinyl flooring, and Elaine Revestimentos delivered the porcelain tiles. Telhanort also contributed various items, while Nog Ingenieria handled civil enforcement. Together, these teams and their high-quality materials ensured a successful retrofit that met the client's requirements while offering a unique and stylish outcome. The project demonstrates how thoughtful design, careful material selection, and efficient space planning can transform an apartment into a modern, functional, and personalized home.